In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if message is read on Slack. 5 minutes. First, start by logging into your Slack account, either on the desktop app, the web, or your mobile device. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and that you can access the channel or direct message you're interested in. This sets the stage for everything else we'll cover. Also, keep in mind that people's availability and do not disturb settings can affect how quickly they respond, so timing matters. Now, an important truth about Slack, there isn't a built-in read receipt for individual messages. Unlike some chat apps that show a scene indicator, Slack is designed without that feature. That means you can't confirm that a specific person opened your message. Knowing this upfront helps you focus on what Slack does offer and what teams typically do to fill the gap. A reliable workaround is to establish a simple team convention using emoji reactions. Agree on a specific emoji like a check mark or eyes as a read and acknowledged signal. When someone sees your message, they add that reaction so everyone knows it's been read. To react, hover over the message, click the smiley face icon, and choose your team's emoji. For larger teams, it helps to share this norm in a channel description or a quick kickoff message so everyone uses the same approach consistently. Consistency is the key to making this method trustworthy. Another clear signal that someone has engaged with your message is a direct reply, either inline or in a thread. If your message starts a thread, replies there indicate the content was read and considered. Encourage replies in threads to keep conversations organized. You can open the thread by clicking the message's thread icon, where you'll see all responses in one place. Mentions and follow-up questions are also strong indicators of engagement, and they're more informative than a simple read receipt would be. Finally, remember that Slack is excellent at tracking your own unread items, even if it won't show others' reading status. Channels with unread messages appear bold in the sidebar, and your mentions and reactions view helps you quickly find activity relevant to you. This helps you stay on top of your outgoing messages and know where you may need to follow up without assuming that silence means a message was ignored. To recap, log in, understand there's no read receipt, use a team emoji for acknowledgements, treat replies and thread activity as confirmation of engagement, and rely on Slack's tools to manage your own unreads. With these habits, you'll navigate message visibility in Slack with clarity and confidence.